Hi, I'm Jeanette with Growth Unlimited, and tonight we're talking about, do you really want to change, or are you just making noise? You know, one of the things that's happened a lot over the last several months is I have repeatedly run into people who are telling me that they're not happy, they don't like what's going on, and they wish things would be different. But when I look at them and encourage them to make a commitment to make the changes that they need to make, to have the kind of lives that they want to have, they're not willing to do that. And it's made me very curious. It's also frustrating as a life coach because my focus in life is to help people take control of their lives. And when somebody says to me, I don't like this and I want it changed, I want to help them do that. But, you know, ultimately the thing that that everybody needs to realize and that everyone has to remember is that change is something that every one of us go through every single day. And every one of us have the responsibility to make those changes in our lives ourselves. I know we have been taught over many, many years that if something isn't going the way you need it to go in your life, the thing you need to do is run to a therapist and have that therapist validate you and tell you what a good person you are and how terrible it is that these things are happening to you. And all of us would like those good feelings to happen. It always helps to get that kind of sympathy. It makes us feel better for the short term, and a lot of people are satisfied with that. But the thing that I see happening over and over and over, and this happened for me too when I was in therapy many, many years ago, is that if you don't actually do anything to make the changes in your life that you need to make things happen the way you want them to, nothing ever happens. I was in therapy for 25 years trying to get my life to go the way I wanted it to go. And I think back now about those thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars and thousands and thousands and thousands of hours that I spent trying to put my life together, and realized that it wasn't until I finally took a hard look at things and said, wait a minute. You know, I've had the basic skills that I needed all of this time to make the changes in my life. I just didn't decide to do it. I was looking for somebody else to do it for me. It wasn't until that happened that my life began to turn around. And in a very short amount of time, once I made the decision to start involving myself and actively taking control of my life, things changed. And I got control of my life. And my life now is so much better than it ever was at that point. Now, that doesn't mean I don't have problems. That doesn't mean I don't have challenges. You may know about some of those challenges and those problems. But the thing is, I relish facing those challenges on an everyday basis because it's so much better than not having control. And you can have that too. So, ask yourself, if you're unhappy with what's going on in your life, ask yourself, am I just wanting to complain and have somebody hear me complain? Or do I really want to make a change? And if you want to make a change, be sure to register for our seminar on how to take control of your life, because that's the secret to making it happen. You can do that by clicking on the link below and registering for your spot. The seminar is free. It will show you how to get started, and we can help you from there. So thanks so much for joining me with this video, and be sure to share this with your friends. If you haven't subscribed and you like the video and you like the ideas that are in it, please subscribe and be sure to click on the bell so you get notified of any other future videos as they're presented. Thanks so much for joining me, and visit us at growthunlimited.org. I'd love to hear about how you feel. Are you ready to make a change for your life? Be sure to let me know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe and fill out that form so that we can let you know the things that are going on with Growth Unlimited. Thanks so much. We'll talk to you next time. Bye now.